Are you struggling to find the perfect product for your business? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how I found mine so you can do the same. Welcome back to Power with G. I'm Gretchel and I'm on a journey to build my business from the ground up. Why am I starting with product research? Well, because you need a product to start a business. And it doesn't necessarily have to be a physical product. It can be as a form of a service, or if you want to build your own brand. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact process that I use to find product. First, we're going to talk about market trends. You need to understand what problems are in the market that have not been solved that you can solve. Then we're going to talk about competitor analysis because, of course, you have to know who your competition is and see what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong, so you can make your product better. Then we're going to talk about target audience. You have to know your customer. And finally, we are going to finalize the product choice and make that decision. And then we're going to talk about what I'm going to do to take those big steps to make this a reality. Remember, I'm not an expert. I am just sharing with you my experience, my journey into starting my business. First things first, market trends. I go online and check what's in demand, what's cool, what's new. And I do this by going on TikTok, Pinterest. My go-to is Amazon. I thought about a product. I was reading the story and then I just had this idea. It was kind of like an aha moment. I went online to see if there was demand for it. What I like to keep in mind is finding a market gap, a problem that is not being solved. The problem can be packaging. The problem can be the ingredients, the quality, customer service even. Just to give you an example, let's say I want to get into the skincare industry and there is a market gap. There is a problem where there isn't products for sensitive skin. Let's just say the product, it's an anti-aging facial cleanser, but all of the ones that I'm seeing have fragrance. There is an opportunity to make a product for anti-aging that is good for people with sensitive skin. I can make the product cater to people with sensitive skin so it doesn't cause irritation. Now that is a market gap. Now, as I'm doing this research, I like to think about my values. Like, okay, does this product align with my values? Is this something that I can see myself selling? Is it something that I would enjoy? I'm also thinking about, okay, where can I possibly source this product? Are there manufacturers for this product? I am thinking about multiple things at a time.